I'm a savage. Yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet. Yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty.
Hey, welcome to my video. Today I will be showing you how I got this look. Just a quick little natural beat I wanted to show y'all. But if you want me to do another one where I'm beat, let me know. I def will do it. Let's get into the video. So hey guys, the first thing I'll be starting off with is this cocoa butter cream for skin. My bad, I already had it open, but it smells good. It was $5.69 at my hair store. I don't know why I just closed it. Take a little bit of that. I'm gonna go take a little bit. I don't need a whole bunch. My favorite. Oh boy, that smells so good. Next I'll be doing my eyebrows. But I'm gonna do that off camera because it gets real. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Did my eyebrows the best I could. Next, I know a lot of people put their foundation on afterwards, so clean it up, make it look. Listen, it's gonna come together. Just rock with me for a minute. I'm gonna do my hair too, so don't judge me. But next, I like to do my eyeshadow. I'll be using my iconic palette that I got from BoxyCharm. These are the colors. Okay, I'm gonna be using Deep Soul, Ultimate Tan. I might use Rags to Riches. I'm not. I like this color though. I really, really do. But if I choose to use another color, I'll let y'all know exactly which ones. But those are the three that I'm looking at for right now. So let me get my brushes together and I'll be back. Okay, let's start because the shit about to go. I'm sorry. I'm bored them strikes. This is what you do. Oh. Okay, just a little dab. Just a little bit of concealer on my eyeballs, or my eyelids, whatever. So I'm gonna I add a little bit of concealer just to give the shadow a little pop. I ain't add too much because I really want to go with like a natural look. Listen, let me tell y'all this. When you do makeup, please don't do that. You'll get some product when you brush. See? I will be going in with the Ultimate Tan. I'm gonna go back in with the Deep Soul just to like blend that with the Ultimate Tan. Instead of Rags to Riches, I will be using Bronze Bay, which is right here. But Rags to Riches, I love that color. I do my natural looks. I don't put eyelashes on. I just use mascara because I ain't about to waste no lashes. So with the bronze bay, I'll just put it right about here. Yeah. Okay, so I just put that over top of the ultimate tan. Go back in one more time with the deep soul to blend all this together. Foundation that I will be using is ILMAKAGE, the best foundation out here. It is worth $44. I will not lie. If you my complexion, you should use Woke Up Like This 220. Yeah, baby. But I'm telling y'all, give them a try. They good. They're good. You only need. It say you only need 2 squirts for full coverage. So we're gonna do it. 1, 2. That's it. That's it. Boom, 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 boom. I do this so everywhere could get parts of the foundation. Okay, next concealer. I got this from Juvia's place, number 9. I like it. Next, I get my beauty blender and start to blend the concealer. My banana powder, satin powder. And I'm not going to use a lot of this because I don't want it to just be so, like, I don't want that. I don't know why I just did that, but I don't want that. So, a little bit right here, a little bit right there. Hold on, a little bit more right here. A little right here, a little bit right here. Call it a day. You don't need all that extra shit, baby girl. It be too much. So while that's setting, next I'll be going in with my espresso concealer. Got this from Fenty. I can't even find the other 2 that came with it. I don't know how to do that shit, renegade shit. Later, here go our fan brush. These fan brushes are so cute. How about you? Okay, here's my highlighter. I don't know where I got it from though. I can't remember where I got it from, but it's the highlighter I be using. Oh, breaking apart. Get a little shine up here. Last but not least, with the makeup, I will be my clear lip gloss. You're not supposed to ever go anywhere without your clear lip gloss. It's the best thing ever. And because I ain't got no because I don't have any brown lip liner, I'll take some of the deep soul from my eyeshadow palette and just put it around the bottom of my lip. It's gonna all come together. Next, I'm gonna do my hair and I'll be back. Yo. And this is the final look, y'all. I didn't do nothing to my hair. I mean, I did do something to my hair. I fixed my hair up real fast, you know. But this is the final look with my natural beat. Y'all like it? Give me some. Let me know if y'all like it. Let me know if y'all want to see a beat. Like, you want to see me, like, beat. I got you. Mama, bring him so he can say bye to everybody. But, you know, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all want to see. The support that I'm getting already, I love. Thank y'all. Peace and blessings. And, you know, just keep subscribing, keep watching, keep liking. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. No, nephew. Say bye-bye. He not trying to say bye. Bye, y'all.
Classy, bougie, ratchet, sassy, moody, nasty, acting stupid. What's happening?